This is KKTV 11 News Traffic Alert. There is an accident on northbound I-25 near Woodman Road in Colorado Springs. Two vehicles collided in a fuel truck, causing a massive rollover of the fuel truck on the median between both directions on I-25, causing a major backup in both directions of the interstate. Colorado Springs police and emergency vehicles are arriving at the scene. Two reported dead in the fatal accident and one being taken to a hospital under critical condition at this time. Heavy traffic and delays are expected on I-25 between Garden of the Gods and North Academy Boulevard. An alternative route is advised, and the major accident on I-25 near Woodman Road is still under investigation at this time.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Colorado Springs Police Department. Two cars collided into a fuel truck on northbound Interstate 25 near Woodman Road, mile marker 149 in the city of Colorado Springs. The fuel truck was turned over on the median between both directions of Interstate 25. Two fatalities occurred in the accident and one person in critical condition at this time. Interstate 25 is closed between mile markers 145 and 151 in the area, and commuters are encouraged to find an alternative route at this time as significant backup occurs. Westbound and eastbound Woodman Road near Interstate 25 is also closed for everyone's safety. A small fire broke out from one of the collided vehicles near the turned-over fuel truck, and firefighters are approaching to the scene to put out the fire. For your safety, stay off of Interstate 25 between mile markers 145 and 151, if possible. An evacuation may be ordered for nearby residences if the situation worsens. Stay tuned to local media and news outlets for more information on this situation.